So today we're making flag Jello. It's a really fun dessert for the 4th of July. So we start with a base of strawberry Jello. I made this last night from a 6-ounce package. You could also use 2 3-ounce packages. Mixed it with 2 cups of boiling water, dissolved it, then mixed in 2 cups cold water, and I let it chill overnight so it's nice and firm. Next thing we're going to do is take Cool Whip, or you can use the generic, and I thawed the Cool Whip so I can basically spread a layer of Cool Whip on the top of the Jello. I'm just scooping out a lot more of my Cool Whip here. So I'm just spreading this around. I've thawed this mostly. It's a little bit, not 100% thawed, but it's thawed enough. So I basically want to spread it, and I'm kind of smoothing it with my knife as well to make it look nicer. Kind of, again, it's just like icing a cake. I'm just smoothing more of the Cool Whip around. So I'm almost done getting my Cool Whip spread. I'm just smoothing it out a little bit with my knife. And this is our second layer, is the white Cool Whip. So it's a nice contrast with the red beneath. Now that we've got that done, we're going to move on to making the stars part, which is the blueberries. Now, you're going to make that in the top left corner, and you can, of course, just put them on in rows. One thing that's kind of fun, as I have an American flag here as a model, is I'm going to try to space mine like on the real flag. So that is making 6 on the top here. And now I'm going to put 5 kind of underneath, just like in the flag. And then I'm going to do my next row like it again. And just stagger it like this. I have roughly 50 blueberries here. So now I'm going to start making the stripes, and that's what we use the strawberries for. So I'm going to put a strawberry like that, and you want to put I've halved my strawberries and taken off the stem. Of course, wash both the strawberries and blueberries first. And so I basically am putting the cut side down, and I got just a little bit of room here, so I'm going to put a smaller strawberry there. And then I just basically make, and of course you aren't going to have near the number of stripes you actually have on the flag, but it makes it a fun looking dessert. Just put my strawberries down here as the stripes. I'm going to make one more row of strawberries here along the corner, and then I'm going to start going, of course, all the way across. Actually, this is a little berry, so I'm going to put him here. I'm going to start going down here. I'm actually going to just make some smaller berries along this bottom row here so it can connect over with my big berries on the right. And now I'm going to come through and make a couple more rows. I'm going to start off with a big berry at the bottom here and just come through and finish out my rows of strawberries. So here we got the finished product of flag Jello with the stars and the stripes, and it's red, white, and blue. It's a very festive dessert for the 4th of July.